1X Samsung OEM EP-TA10JWE travel charger adapter with cable compatible with Samsung Galaxy S5. This charger will keep your Samsung devices charged on the go. Charger simultaneously charges device and syncs, transfers data. Color: white. Brand: Samsung. Model: EP-TA10JWE. Type: OEM, universal. With cable to charge your devices on the go. Accessory only, cell phone not included. Compatible with Samsung Galaxy S5 SMG 900. Top reviews from the United States. Well manufactured. I own an old Galaxy S5 Samsung phone. The charging port has a dent preventing many chargers from successfully attaching and charging my phone. I have to wiggle the cord in the port just to get the charging light to come on. Well, those chargers were the single port variety. So I decided to try the same charger as the original package charger when I bought the phone, 2014. Works perfectly. I didn't think it would fit the port because of the dent. It fits so snuggly, I don't have to wiggle anything. It begins charging as soon as I plug it in. It charges so fast. Done in less than 2 hours when the other chargers would take 4 or 5 hours, due to the intermittent charging. I highly recommend you use the same brand of charger as the phone you have. Samsung for Samsung. I won't make that mistake again. Would purchase again without hesitation.